Can AI really create a stunning video in just 10 minutes? Today, we're putting InVideo AI to the ultimate test. Buckle up, because the future of video creation might be closer than you think.
And action.
Imagine this. You've got a tight deadline, an idea bursting with potential, but zero time to bring it to life. Sound familiar? That's exactly the problem we're tackling today with the revolutionary InVideo AI. Let's see if it's the game changer we've all been waiting for. As content creators, we juggle so much: script writing, editing, color grading, and often we're doing it all on our own. Burnout? That's our middle name. But what if I told you there's a way to automate the grind and focus on the fun stuff, storytelling and creativity? That's where InVideo AI comes in. InVideo AI is not just another tool. It's like having a creative assistant that never sleeps. From instant video editing to mind-blowing audio fixes, it promises to transform hours of work into mere minutes. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out together. Now for the fun part, testing the AI. Let's see if we can create a professional-grade video in under 10 minutes. Watch closely as I walk you through the steps. All right, timer started. First, I'm picking a pre-made template tailored to my brand. With machine learning, InVideo AI adjusts everything to match my style: colors, fonts, and even transitions. Next up, I'm uploading my script. Look how the AI automatically matches it with visuals, music, and effects. That's not just smart, it's brilliant. Finally, I'm tweaking the details, polishing the visuals, and using AI-powered audio ducking to balance the sound perfectly. And done! Let's check the results. Here it is, a fully polished video created in just 10 minutes. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below because I'm curious. Did AI just outdo us humans? The best part? InVideo AI doesn't just save time, it unlocks creative freedom. It handles the grunt work so you can focus on what really matters: your ideas and your audience. Now, over to you. How do you feel about AI shaping the future of video creation? Let's chat in the comments. And if you're excited to explore more AI-powered tools, make sure to check out my next video on the top 5 AI tools for content creators. Don't miss it. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay ahead of the curve. See you next time.